Hello and welcome to math class. Today's topic is test of divisibility by 9. If the sum of digits of a given number is 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Let us say, for example, 18. You have two digits, that is 1 and 8. When we add 1 plus 8 equals 9. Therefore, 18 is divisible by 9. To verify, divide 18 by 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 18 minus 18 equals 0. Now let us try 27. The sum of digits 2 plus 7 equals 9. Therefore, 27 is divisible by 9. To verify, divide 27 by 9. 9 times 3 equals 27. Let us try 108. The sum of digits 1 plus 0 equals 1. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Therefore, 108 is divisible by 9. To verify, divide 108 by 9. 9 times 1 equals 9. 10 minus 9 equals 1. Bring down 8. Now the number is 18. 9 times 2 equals 18. 18 minus 18 equals 0. Now let us try 324. The sum of digits is 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Therefore, 324 is divisible by 9. To verify, divide 324 by 9. 9 times 3 equals 27. 32 minus 27 equals 5. Bring down 4. Now the number is 54. 9 times 6 equals 54. 54 minus 54 equals 0. Now let us try 4-digit number. Say 5931. The sum of digits 5 plus 9 equals 14. 14 plus 3 equals 17. 17 plus 1 equals 18. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Therefore, 5931 is divisible by 9. To verify, divide 5931 by 9. 9 times 6 equals 54. 59 minus 54 equals 5. Bring down 3. Now the number is 53. 9 times 5 equals 45. 53 minus 45 equals 8. Now bring down 1. Now the number is 81. 9 times 9 equals 81. 81 minus 81 equals 0. I hope you have understood the test of divisibility by 9. If you have any doubts, please type in the comment section and I shall reply at the earliest. Please subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.